Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to add a Google shortcut on your desktop. Friends, we all use lot of Googles to do searches etc. So if you want to make a shortcut of google.com or any other website which you use more frequently, then you need to open Google Chrome. Now here open google.com. After opening google.com, you need to press on these three dots on the right side corner of the screen. Now here press on more tools. In more tools you will find option of create shortcut. Click on create. Now friends, you will find a shortcut of google.com on your desktop. Like this you can make shortcut of other websites also. For that you need to open the website. I am opening facebook.com. Now I will follow the same procedure. Now friends, as you can see, the shortcut of google.com as well as facebook.com is created on my desktop, and in future I can very easily open google.com or facebook.com directly from here. So friends, like this you can very easily make shortcut of google.com as well as any other website. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.